You become an adult and you're in this adult life, you don't have to have a car payment. You don't have to have that expensive mortgage payment. There's no rule book out there that says you have to have a $700 car payment. There's no rule book out there that says you have to have a $1,700 to $2,500 mortgage payment on a house. There's nothing out there that says that. You can do whatever you want in this world. You can put your money to wherever you want. You can buy whatever kind of house you want. You can buy whatever kind of car you want. And there's no rules that say you have to spend all that money on those things. So I'm out here walking with my child, and I'm literally thinking here how my old 2002 Toyota Camry brings me so much wealth. So basically, because I have this old car that has no loan on it and that requires very little maintenance, I can now put more money towards my investments. I can now put more money towards vacations. Let me explain. So, the average car payment that people are paying for is about $500 to $700, $800 a month. I'm avoiding all that. So basically, I'm saving money by not putting that money towards a car loan, and now that money can go towards my investments, or that money can go towards vacation. So we're going on vacation, and I don't have to stress too much, because instead of paying an $800 or $500 or $600 car payment, I can now put that money towards our vacation. It can go towards our flights. It can go towards the food that we're eating on our vacation. It can go towards the car rental that we're going to have on that vacation, because I have my 2002 Toyota Camry. So I'm not trying to say go out here and buy a $2,000 car, but I'm saying you should definitely consider not getting a car with a $500 or $700 car payment. Go buy a used car, and with the money that you're actually going to put towards that $700 car payment, save up so you can buy that used car in cash. Get a $5,000, maybe a $10,000 used car, a Toyota Camry, a Honda Civic, and commute to work with that car. Go anywhere with that car. It's a perfectly fine vehicle, but what it's going to do, it's going to free up so much money to actually put it in places that matter. My car is done. I already have money being saved for a car fund, so I can go get a $10,000 car. So I can go get a 2009 Toyota Corolla or something like that, and I'm able to actually save for that because I have no car payment, and I haven't had a car payment since I've had a car. Since I've been an adult, I have not had a car payment, and I don't plan on getting one. My 2002 Toyota Camry literally makes me rich, and it's going to make me rich. I feel like it's literally going to make me rich because it frees up a lot of money. It frees up a lot of money that doesn't have to go to car payments, doesn't have to go to, expensive insurance. Literally, for my wife's car, in my car, our insurance is under $120. So if we would have had a new car or, some fancy car, our insurance would have been through the roof. But since we have these old cars, our insurance is so low, our maintenance is so low, and honestly, just our car expenses are low. Our gas is low. All the things are low, and the things that we can do with our money because all the expenses are low is invest into our future, is invest into our son's future, go on vacations, save for another house. All these things we're able to do because of our old cars and my 2002 Toyota Camry. I think at the end of the day, it comes down to spending money in areas and spending money on things that bring you value and things that matter to you. And to be honest with you, having a new car, having that $500 to $700 car payment, plus the insurance, which will probably run you over $1,000 a month just on car expenses, does not matter to me as much as putting that $1,000 towards going on vacation with my family, with my child, or towards saving for our retirement and putting that money into our after-tax accounts, or putting that money into our child's 529. So it's really about spending your dollars on things and places that matter to you. Now, having the fanciest, the newest car with the $500 to $700 car payment matters to you, then go for it. But just know, by doing that, you're sacrificing the dollars going towards that can go towards something else. So you might be sacrificing that vacation fund. You might be sacrificing maximizing your retirement because you want to have that car payment, or you want to have that lease that you're going to continue to lease throughout your whole life. You're going to always have a lease. You're going to always pay $300 to $400 to $500 a month for your lease. You're gonna always pay $300, $400, $500 a month to $700 a month for your car payment, because you might just have this car for, you know, the whole term, which might be 5 years or 7 years. Then you're gonna get another car payment, and then that car payment is gonna come with the maintenance that comes with my used Toyota Camry. I just don't have a payment on it. If you guys get anything from this video, it's to put money in places that matters to you. If a car really, really matters to you and you want to get a car payment, then do that. But if you're not so crazy about cars, if you're not even crazy about your car, or if you're not crazy about the car that you're looking at, then don't go and get that car payment. Go buy a $5,000, $10,000 car and put the money that you're saving by not putting that money towards car payment, towards your investments, towards your future, or towards vacation, wherever you want to put it. Put that money there, and you don't have to have a car payment. You become an adult and you're in this adult life, you don't have to have a car payment. You don't have to have that expensive mortgage payment. There's no rule book out there that says you have to have a $700 car payment. There's no rule book out there that says you have to have a, you know, $1,700 to $2,500 mortgage payment on a house. There's nothing out there that says that. You can do whatever you want in this world. You can put your money to wherever you want. You can buy whatever kind of house you want. You can buy whatever kind of car you want. And there's no rules that say you have to spend all that money on those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. But also, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this video? Do you really think that my 2002 Toyota Camry will bring me a lot of wealth? And if so, comment that down below. But also, what are your thoughts on car payments? What do you think about car payments? I know some people don't like having used cars. They think they come with all this different maintenance that they don't want to really deal with, so they're going to buy that new car. But that new car might just come with the same amount of maintenance problems as that used car comes with. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.